In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your menu in WordPress. Now, I will tell you, let me show you my real estate agent website here. And I will tell you that when somebody's on a desktop, the menu is not near as important as it is when they're on mobile. When you're on desktop, you can see much more of the screen. Navigation is easier as far as getting to what you want to get to quicker. This is the menu up here. So see right here, I only have homes for sale and house values. Typically, when you look at a menu, you'll see several items across here, like our About Us and Contact Us and things like that should be up here. Anything that I'd want to be important. Well, I realized yesterday as I was kind of looking at this, at how I wanted to edit my website and how I wanted it to perform on mobile, I was noticing that I was trying to access the blog and it wasn't as easy to get to on mobile, so I want to put it in the menu. Now on mobile, let me shrink this down so I can show you. Watch this. This is what happens to your menu. See this right here? This is now that menu. So now it becomes more important to have your cornerstone content or your key pages that you know you want people to access quickly, like contact information. I'm not even sure where that went. Those types of things would be in your menu, okay? I teach how to build real estate agent websites as well as niche websites for affiliate marketing. So we are building on WordPress platforms. And if you would like to learn more about WordPress, I've got more playlists in the YouTube. I've also got a training course. You can find me at ballenacademy.com if you're not already watching this in Ballen Academy. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and edit this menu up here. So you're going to go over to your dashboard. Okay, once you're in the back end here, go to the left-hand column and choose Appearance, Menus. Now, I'm going to suggest you don't go crazy with your menus. We don't want this to be, you don't want to give them too many options. They won't go anywhere. And in most cases, if you take them to a particular page, it will lead them to other pages. For example, if the buyer is sitting here looking for homes for sale, they're going to click on homes for sale and they're going to access a full menu. If they're looking to find out how much their house is worth, they're going to find seller articles in here as well. Well, what I want to make sure I have here is my contact info. Now up here, these are pages on your website. So these are your most recent. Here you can view all of them, and here you can search for a particular page, such as Contact Us. So I want to add this. So let me go ahead and click Contact Us, Add to Menu. Now, that's way too many words on the page. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drop this down, and I'm going to just edit this to just say Contact Us. And then I'm going to put Contact Lori Ballen Team. If your theme uses these, a description, you could put the description there. If it doesn't use it, don't worry about it. We'll talk more about themes in other videos. But I do like to have the title attribute in case somebody were to hover over that button and be able to see Contact Lori Ballen Team. So I'm going to close that little arrow there. We'll toggle that. Now, this moves, and here's what happens. If it's aligned with the buttons above it, you're going to see it all the same on the menu. But if you were to move this over, it actually now becomes a drop down. So the person would see homes for sale, and then they would see homes values. Then they would have a little drop down arrow, and then they would get to this. So sometimes, like if I wanted to, I could have homes for sale, and then underneath homes for sale, I could have how to buy a home, search homes, finance a home. And those could be all under there. If for some reason I felt like those really needed to be displayed in a menu, kind of like a table of contents with a parent category and then one underneath it, okay? Again, I suggest not going too crazy with this. Now, I also want to go ahead and put my blog up here because I keep finding I want to get to it quick, and even if nobody else uses the button, I want the button, okay? So here's your options. We have pages. Here we have posts. So if I want to find one particular post. Here I have our team. So now here's a great example. See how I have contact us? If I wanted to, I could put Krista, David, and Lori, because these are all agents on my team. And I could just now move those over under contact us. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that so I can show you what it looks like. We'll alphabetize this here. Okay. Then I want to go get my blog. So these are categories, view all, and search. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my whole blog there, add to menu. And let me go ahead and put these also in alphabetical order. So however you want to put them in order, you just drag and drop. Super simple, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to go look at it. So you can add pages, posts, whatever your theme has in it, you're going to see things over here. Custom links. So let's just say I wanted to say, view our store, and maybe my store's not even on my website. I have an external website, or my blog is on Blogger or some other platform, and this is just my real estate website. I could put the link to the blog here, and then type something like read the blog, and I could even use icons. Or see here, we could put Twitter up here, we could put Facebook, we could put LinkedIn, we could put Instagram. So I want them to go to my YouTube channel. I could put my YouTube channel up here. So many ways we can customize our main menu. But let's go take a look at it. In fact, let's go ahead and drop in let's drop one in here really quick just so you can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and drop in YouTube. And in my case, it's YouTube. Let me see. I have several YouTube channels, so let me just make sure I'm grabbing the right one. Okay, so I want this one here. So I want to grab this whole URL right here, copy, go back over to our table of contents, and we're just going to paste it right in there. Okay, and then let's give it a little icon. Oh. Hold on. I'm just trying to see where the little icon, oh, I guess they look the same. I just wanted to see if there was any difference between these. Nope. All right, so let me delete this one. Okay, so we'll just take that one off. Delete. Right there, remove. Okay, now let's go ahead and save it. We will take a look now at what it looks like. So before we just had these two. Now we have blog, contact us, homes for sale, and house values. And it looks like we don't even have our YouTube one up there because I'm out of room. Now look at what I'm talking about when it drops down underneath. So remember the contact us, we put underneath that Krista Porter, David Lamer. So notice it's the only one that has the right arrow that drops down. See, so now they can reach David, they can reach Krista, or they can reach Lori. Now let's take a look at what that looks like when you shrink that down again. So now they'll have the same thing, blog, contact us, homes for sale, house values.